is a balloon. And this is a pin. And this is a cure for hiccups. A shock. Mind you, actor John Leeson found some other cures for hiccups on the streets of Coventry.
How do you normally get rid of hiccups?
Hold your breath. Take a deep breath.
I've been trying. I get these attacks. Could you... You couldn't frighten me, could you? No. Could you say boo to me or something like that? Or give me a little shout? No?
I've got to get back if I'm going to get to dinner.
What about my interview?
Well, after such persuasion, John surely deserves a pat on the back.
Go and get a drink of water.
She's quite serious. You couldn't...
Can this young lady fix those hicks?
It's nearly worked. You... Just go. Drop me up and down. No.
Make like you're a pogo stick.
This looks very silly.
Tell you what. Boo.
The subtle approach.
What? Boo.
So what is the interview about?
Well, the interview is a job in the library. As a librarian.
Watch out, behind you!
Librarian. I'm going to the library in a couple of minutes.
When all else
I
fails...
really am.